Want to build a business that actually makes serious money? In this video, I'm giving you 5 AI side hustles that can realistically make $10,000 or more per month and how to start each one today. First is an AI-powered content agency. Use tools like ChatGPT and Pictory AI to write articles, create social media posts, or produce faceless YouTube content for clients. In order to monetize this, offer monthly content packages to small businesses, something like $500 to $2,000 per month per client. Next, use AI to create and sell your own digital course or ebook in days, not months. Here's the tools you'll need to do this. ChatGPT for outlining and writing. Canva or Tome AI for visuals and slides. Gumroad, Teachable to sell it. Scaling tip. Use AI to research high-demand topics. Then sell for $49 to $199 with recurring traffic from YouTube or email. Third is building a faceless YouTube automation channel powered by AI tools. The tools you'll need for this option are ChatGPT for scripts Pictory or InVideo for visuals, 11 Labs or AI voice for narration. Scaling tip. Ad revenue, affiliate links, and sponsorships can easily hit $10,000 per month once you grow. Many channels are doing it with no face and no filming. Offer high-value services on platforms like Upwork, using AI to deliver work faster and better. Here's a few examples. Market research reports, business plans. Copywriting for ads presentation design. Scaling tip. As you grow, outsource to others and turn it into a micro-agency. Finally, build a low-code AI-powered service or tool that solves a small but painful problem. No coding skills? No problem. Use tools like Zapier, Make, and Durable AI to automate tasks or create a simple app. Monetize this by charging $29 to $99 per month to businesses who save time and money using your solution. These 5 AI side hustles are already changing lives, and you can start today. Which one are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. And if you want full breakdowns of any of these, hit subscribe because we'll go deeper every week.